So, you're looking to make more money as a life coach, yeah? Well, don't worry. This video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friends. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, I just recently got done, doing some coursework for some of my clients. And in this video that we just put into my course, Life Coach Launch, we specifically talk about profitable presentations and exactly how and why you are going to make more money and how you can go out there and use profitable presentations to do just that. We talk about exactly how to get people to get to your profitable presentations. We talk about which profitable presentations are better for you to run as a life coach that's also going to help you make more money, while we also talk about exactly what you need to do to schedule your first profitable presentation today. So without any further ado, let's go on into the training. What we're going to be talking about today. So a lot of life coaches, they're going to get caught in what we classify as a freelancer trap. This freelancer trap is going to be in big part to them doing one-on-one calls and only handling, problems one way. So what they're going to do is they're going to be hopping on a lot of one-on-one calls to make their sales, And obviously that would make sense, because what they're going to do is they're going to go out there, they're going to make a solution, make an offer, and then they're going to go out there and they're going to tell people about this offer, get on one-on-ones and sales calls, and they're going to one by one sign people up for that offer as a life coach. Could it work? Yeah. Is it time consuming? Absolutely. And it takes insane amounts of time, not to mention energy, to be able to pull this off. So what happens is a lot of these life coaches are going to go out there and on a good day, if they get 10 calls, one-on-one calls, they're going to go through all 10 of these calls, and usually on a good day, they might sign up on a good day 4 to 5. So we're going to put 4 for a round number, 4 to 5. So they'll have 4 to 5 closes. The thing is what's going to happen is these 10 calls are going to take all day, or possibly even more days, So these 10 calls could take every bit of 8 to 10 hours, And now you're losing out on all the opportunity costs that you had, because you are now hopping on sales calls. And a lot of times you're hopping on sales calls with people who have no intention on buying from you to begin with. So what we do, to keep us from staying out of this freelancer trap of not only keeping us not having to hop on 8 to 10 hours of calls talking about the exact same problems, the exact same solutions, and basically the exact same stuff, And also, what happens in this freelancer trap is, as you're doing this, and a lot of life coaches fall into this, they're going to be a one-man, one-woman, or one-person band at the beginning, So if you're looking to make your first 100K and you don't have a team yet, or maybe you have a very small team, what's going on is you're coming out with, say, an offer or a product, and you got to make money now, So you got to make money now. So you came out, you realize that you need to make money, you're going to have to get a job, because now that you are a life coach, you get paid for the job, for the people that you help. So ultimately, what you then start realizing is you're going to go out there, and over the next, say, month or 2 months, whatever that is, it's called a month, you're going to hustle. And you're going to do nothing but sell. You're not going to work on anything else in your business. You're not going to do anything else, but you're going to sell, because you need to sell out whatever that is. You're doing one-on-one calls, meaning that your time is now being caught up in these one-on-one calls, looking to get people to sign up. Over that month, you're going to get some people signed up, and then after you get, say you get 5 to 8 people signed up in that month. You had a great month. You signed up 5 to 8 people. That's awesome, Well, now what you got to do is, your time is now, you're not going to be able to sell, because now over the next couple of months, you have 2 months here, but now you have 3 months, Let's say your thingy, or your system or whatever is now at 2 months. Well, now what you got to do is, over these next 2 months, you got to fulfill, You got to do what you promised to the people who paid you money. So what happens is now, since you got to fulfill, your time is shortened. You don't have the time to prospect and sell and make the sales that you did before. You're focused on fulfilling. And then once 3 months comes up, you don't have the leads, the sales, and the stuff that you had coming in last time, because you're stuck fulfilling. And then you get caught into this loop of every few months you're having to go out there and you're having to make money as fast as you can, and hope, that you sign up people. There's times that you're not going to sign up people. There's times it's going to be a bad month. There's times, right? That you're going to go out there and it's going to be a failure and you're not going to get anybody to sign up for your thing. And then you're stuck. Then you're really stuck, right? And you're given this small window to just keep doing, right, this thing over and over again, right, to where you fulfill, right? And then you got to make money again. And what can happen is if one of these loops, right, goes to where you have a bad loop and you don't bring in the money you think you should, then all of a sudden your business can't run, it can't operate, you're looking for a job, and you get caught in what's classified as a freelancer trap. The other truth is because you get caught up in this loop, you're never actually able to get past, right, the barrier of making a consistent and easy $100,000 for your business without working hundreds and hundreds of hours every single week. So what we want to make sure that we're doing is that we are running profitable presentations where we are doing very similar things to one-on-one calls. We're inviting people to come to an event. They're coming to this event just like a one-on-one call. It's an event, right? They're coming to an event and they're getting to hang out with other people who have similar problems, and then you are going to be involving these people, helping them with their problems all at once. This is going to create a great energy, right, within the problem that's being solved. It's also going to help you create content that you can use while actually helping people solve their problems. And as well as for the people that come to the presentation and that get help, it's going to make it extremely easy for those people to continue wanting to get your help so that they can continue getting help with the problems that they have. So what we want to make sure that we're doing here, right, is that we are running what we classify, and I'll put the big PP down here, but profitable presentations, right, to sign up clients consistently for our life coach and healing businesses. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach or healer? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and you can grab that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now in the description. Just click down here in the description and you can grab this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is going to be a 22-page guide showing you how you can go out there and become a life coach and make 6 figures as a life coach following our very simple 3-step system. Make sure to click that link down there in the description and grab your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking down there below and grabbing your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.